The interior during hot tropical afternoons. Puppies, an organic, cozy home. The pond channel, and connecting a tiny bamboo fisherman figurine that dances as the current flows. Explore their cozy new mud villa for the very first time. Perfect. A place they can truly call home. Every life deserves a home filled with love. Today on NewEraButler, we rescued 4 abandoned puppies and are building them a dream mud villa. We begin by mapping out our layout, designing a central mud house with a wraparound water moat to keep our puppies safe, cool, and happy. Putting in the strength to reshape the earth, we excavate a sturdy foundation pad and clear out roots to ensure our natural structure stands strong. Mixing natural clay soil, straw, and water to create an eco-friendly, heat-insulating plaster that naturally cools the interior during hot tropical afternoons. Today we start on the foundation. This trench is for our earth house. Building the structural skeleton using flexible bamboo and natural timber, crafting twin arch doorways and round side windows for ventilation. Hand-plastering the mud walls layer by layer, shaping smooth, rounded archways that give our puppies an organic, cozy home. We are building the bamboo frame today. This clay creates strong, natural walls. Let's get this roof covered before sunset. This bright green thatch is perfect. This lining is crucial for the moat. Now for the slate, and we're done. Handcrafting a functional bamboo water wheel. Every cup is precisely angled to catch the water flow and spin automatically. Mounting the water wheel over the pond channel and connecting a tiny bamboo fisherman figurine that dances as the current flows. Building a curved bamboo arch bridge across the stream, allowing our puppies to cross safely to their new front porch. Let's fill this up and see if it works. And it spins! Let's release these beautiful fish into their new home. They're gonna love it here. Perfect. Serving their first delicious meal in their new home. Seeing these rescued puppies healthy, safe, and full brings pure joy to our hearts. The big moment! Our 4 rescued puppies proudly cross their bridge and explore their cozy new mud villa for the very first time. Welcome to our little puppy paradise. I wanted to build something truly special for them, a place they can truly call home. From abandoned and forgotten to living in their own handmade resort. If you believe every animal deserves love and a beautiful home, subscribe and join